Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, Junior 2, we will complete Chapter 2, Lesson 6. Okay, please open your book, page 126, and write the date of today. Today is 24-12-2020. And let's start. Okay, I will start with vocabulary 4. You remember when we talked before about infer, the new words in this chapter? Yes, infer and habitat. You remember? Yes, today we will talk about a new word which is steward. The new word is what? Steward. What is the meaning of steward here? Steward is a person or someone. Person or someone. Okay? This person takes care of the environment. Takes care of the environment. This means what, Junior 2? This means that when someone water the plant, give the plant water. By this way, this person takes care of the plant, takes care of the plant, okay, or the environment. So this person will be steward. When you clean your room at home, okay, this is also another way or another form for steward or taking care of the environment. Take care of the environment. Okay. So steward here is someone who takes care of the environment. So now after writing this word beside vocabulary word steward, please Junior 2 write its definition. Someone who takes care of the environment. Like the story of Hussam. You remember the story of Hussam when Hussam watered the plant, his plants in the planter and removed the short weeds from it? Yes, by this way Hussam take care of his plants, right? And by this way Hussam will be steward. So steward, anyone takes care of the environment. Okay? Yes. How can I put this word in a sentence, Junior 2? I want now to make or write a sentence using this vocabulary word, which is steward. Now I will write what? I am proud of being steward. And proud here equal so exciting or I'm happy. I'm happy to be steward. Okay? Okay. So let's complete our lesson. Please, Junior 2, don't forget to write the sentence and the vocabulary word in the previous page. And also don't forget to draw any picture for this word. Represent this word. For example, person water a plant or a person clean the room or clean the class. Okay, any picture represent this word steward. Okay, I will draw it here in illustration in this space. Don't forget. So I will write what here? Steward, this word, number 1, this word, I will write it in this place. And then we will draw this picture and write beside it the definition of steward. And then we will write the sentence, I'm proud of being steward in this space. Okay? Let's complete. Now we will read a story of being a good steward. Okay, of being a good steward. Now I will read and I will start from here. Read the story, look at the picture and think about the picture as you read. Circle the words you don't know. We will put a circle around the word we don't know. Let's start. Noor and Hussam walk to school. Noor and Hosam walk to school. And Hosam says what? We will see. Hosam says, today I watered our plants. Who said that, Junior 2? Yes, Hosam. Today I watered our plants. I must water them often. Yes, excellent, ya Hosam, excellent. You should water your plants often. Okay, excellent. So Hosam here, take care. Yes, excellent, Junior 2, I can hear you. Hosam takes care of his plants. So Hosam is a good steward, right? Yes. Let's complete. Noor thinks about what Hosam said. Noor listened to Hosam and she thinks about what Hosam said. And then Noor says, we are learning the engineering design process in the school. Yes, Hosam and Noor are talking. Hosam said, I watered our plant, right? And then Noor said also, we are learning the engineering design process in school. You remember this design, Junior 2? Yes, we remember it. Excellent. This is called engineering design process. EDP. Engineering design process. Yes, we are learning the engineering design process in school. I will design a product to water the plants for you. So now what happened, Junior 2? I want to explain what happened here. Hosam wanted to water the plant, right? And he watered his plants and he said, I must water the plants often. So Noor here, Junior 2, wants to help Hosam in watering the plant. So she uses this design, which is called engineering design process, to help Hosam in making a tool or product. This tool will help Hosam in what? In watering the plant. Okay? Yes. Let's complete our reading. Hosam says here or asks, how do you do that? Hosam say, how can you help me, Noor? How can you help me? Noor says, I ask, how can I help water the plants? How can I help in watering the plants? Then I think of ideas. يبقى step number 1, Noor ask herself, how can I help Hosam in watering the plant? This is number 1. Okay? And then she thinks of the ideas. You remember the ideas, the first step here in the engineering design process. Okay? Yes. And Hosam asked her, then what happens? What happens, Noor? What happened after thinking with the ideas? Noor says, then I make a plan. I make a plan. So Noor think with the idea of watering the plant, making a tool to water the plants of Hosam, and then collected the materials. Yes, and then she make a plan. Make what? Plan. You remember the steps? Yes, I can hear you, Junior 2. Idea, materials, plan. Idea, materials, plan. Yes, and then I draw a design. I draw the design. Design of what? The design of the tool that Noor want to make it to help Husam in watering the plant. Okay? Noor said also, I measure it. Okay? And then I build it for you, Husam. You remember this step here? Step number, this is 3, and this is step number 4. Build. So idea, materials, plan, build. Idea, materials, plan, build. Okay? Noor build this engineering design process, or use this process in building what? The tool that will help Husam in watering the plant. Okay? Then Husam says to Noor, yes, after that I will take it home. Husam said, I will take the tool home after building it for me, Noor. I will take it home. And then Noor says what? No, not yet, ya Husam. Not yet, Husam. I do an experiment. I will check it, Husam. First, I will do an experiment to make sure it works. Okay? I will check it before giving this tool to you, ya Husam. Noor will check it before. It will use it before she gives this tool to Husam. It will make sure that this tool works normally without any problem. Okay? If I make sure that this tool will work normally, Husam, I will give it to you. I will give it to you. This is what she said. What Noor here said. Okay? And this is called what, Junior 2? This is called improve. This is called here improve. The last step in our engineering design process. Checking the tool or the product that we make it. If it works normally, we will say that this is right. This tool will work normally without any problem. If it is not work normally, I improve it. I improve it. This means that I will fix it. Improve here equal fix, or make it work in a good way. All right. Okay. Yes, I will improve it if I can, and then you can take it home. So after Noor improve and make sure that this tool work, you can take it, Husam, home. You can take it home. And Noor says that, and finally Noor smiling. Finally Noor smiling, Junior 2. Okay? So this is what? This is the engineering design process that Noor uses it in making a tool and give it to Husam. This tool will help Husam in watering his plants. Understood? Yes, excellent. Turn the page, please. Now I will do as Noor did. I will make the same. How, Junior 2? If I have a problem in my garden, like I want to attract the bees. You know bees? Yes. You remember the story also when we said Husam listened to the bees buzzing? Yes, excellent. The sound of the bees. Yes. Now I have a problem in my garden that I want to attract the bees. يعني this sentence mean or this question means I want the bees come to my garden and stand on the flowers. I want my garden, الفlowers in these gardens, in bees come and stand on these flowers and they take the liquid from it, okay, to make the plant grow. Okay, how can I solve this problem? This is a problem. I want to attract or make the bees come to my garden. How can I attract the bees? Please write here. My question is plant attract bees. What plants attract bees? Again, what plant attract bees? Yeah. How can I solve this problem? I will plant a type of plants or flowers that can attract the bees. How? I will plant colorful flowers in my garden. These colorful flowers have many colors, as you can see here in the picture. Have many colors, and these colors will attract the bees. Okay, make the bees come and stand on these flowers. Type why? To make the bees also form or produce honey. You know honey? Yes, I like it. Sweetie liquid, honey. Yes. So how can I solve the problem, Junior 2? By planting colorful flowers in my garden that attract the bees to it. Okay, to let the bees produce the honey. So my question is, what plants attract bees here? The colorful flowers attract the honeybees. You will write this sentence here, and also you will draw a colorful plant or flower. Colorful flowers, okay? Yes, so now again, my problem is I want to let the bees come to my garden, okay? And I want to take the honey from it. How? By planting colorful flowers in the garden. The colors of this flower will attract the bees or the honey bees to it. Okay, Junior 2, is that clear? So again, the last question for today. This helps me attract or protect animals because the flowers, I will write the flowers, as I said now, have good scent to attract the bees. Okay? Yes, excellent, Junior 2. Please, Junior 2, you will write what I said here in your page. Start from page 126. And please, Junior 2, don't forget to study your lessons because we have a monthly exercise next week, inshallah, on Sunday. And I will start studying in your booklet from page 22 till we reach page 43, as I said in the class. And also I will write a post by these pages, okay? Thank you.